Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream with yogurt full guide. Combine 2 cups Greek yogurt, 1 cup heavy cream, 3/4 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla in a large bowl and whisk until smooth and slightly thickened. Chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour so it's cold before churning. This step helps the ice cream freeze evenly and improves final texture, so don't skip it. Pre-chill your ice cream maker bowl if required, then pour the chilled yogurt mixture into the machine and churn according to manufacturer instructions until it reaches soft serve consistency. If you don't have a machine, pour the mix into a shallow container, freeze for 30 minutes, then vigorously stir or whisk to break forming ice crystals. Repeat every 30 minutes until smooth and scoopable, which usually takes 2 to 3 hours total. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple kitchen guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy while you stand and taste test ice cream. Check the description for the link and other deals related to this video. And thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For flavor variations, mash berries, swirl in fruit preserves, or fold in cocoa powder for a chocolate twist. Add extracts like almond or lemon for subtle change. Introduce delicate mix-ins, such as chopped fruit during the last minute of churning, and sturdier items like nuts or cookie bits after churning to keep them crunchy. Taste and adjust sweetness before freezing the final batch, and always reserve a small sample to check texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.